In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cc and Bcc in the Gmail app. These features are incredibly handy when you want to send emails to multiple recipients while maintaining their privacy. Understanding these can enhance your email communication skills. To begin, open the Gmail app on your smartphone. It's the red and white envelope icon that you can't miss. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll see a circular, colorful icon with a plus sign. Tapping this icon will allow you to start composing a new email. Now that you're in the Compose window, you'll notice a field at the top labeled To. This is where you usually enter the email addresses of your primary recipients. At this point, you might wonder about the difference between Cc and Bcc. Well, Cc stands for carbon copy, and it's perfect for including secondary recipients who should stay in the loop without directly addressing them. Bcc, on the other hand, stands for blind carbon copy, and allows you to include recipients discreetly. Those in the Bcc field won't see each other's email addresses or even know who else received the email. Let's explore how to add these now. Just beneath the To field, you'll notice the words Cc Bcc in blue. Tap on this, and two new fields will pop up. The first one is labeled Cc, where you can list secondary recipients. The second is labeled Bcc, for those you want to include without letting others see or know. To add recipients, simply tap into these fields and start typing their email addresses. You can also select contacts directly from your address book if that's more convenient for you. When you've entered all your recipients, it's time to draft your email. Make sure you craft a clear and concise subject line. It sets the tone for your entire message and lets recipients know what to expect. In the body of the email, write out your message as you normally would, whether it's informational, a question, or simply checking in. Before hitting send, take a moment to review everything. Double-check your email addresses, the content of your message, and any attachments to ensure they are correct. This is crucial, especially when using Bcc, as you don't want to mistakenly disclose someone's email address. Once satisfied, look for the familiar paper airplane icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping it will send your email off to everyone you've included, whether in the To, Cc, or Bcc fields. And that's how you use Cc and Bcc in the Gmail app. These small but powerful tools help you communicate more effectively while respecting the privacy of your recipients. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks.